Ready to level up your gaming setup? From lightning-fast response times to stunning RGB lighting, these keyboards are built to dominate. Stick around as we reveal the top 10 gaming keyboards on Amazon, your ultimate guide to pro-level performance. Subscribe for more related gadgets. Let's get started. At number 1, we have Redragon S101 Gaming Keyboard with M601 mouse. Includes Redragon RGB backlit computer gaming keyboard and RGB backlit gaming mouse. All-in-one PC gamer value kit. Fantastic for gamers. 7 different RGB lighting modes and effects. 4 backlight brightness levels. Adjustable breathing speed. The PC gaming keyboard has been ergonomically designed to be a superb typing tool for office work as well. The gaming keyboard is built to withstand the average liquid spill. The integrated wrist rest gives you the comfort you need for marathon gaming sessions. Keys are quiet, designed for longevity and durability, delivering precise tactile feedback. Comes with a full numeric keypad and a gold-plated corrosion-free USB connector for a reliable connection and ultimate gaming performance. At number 2, we have Razer Huntsman Mini 60% Gaming Keyboard. Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 millimeters. With satisfying, clicky feedback, fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys from the world's largest lighting ecosystem for gaming devices. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish, less prone to long-term grime buildup. At number 3, we have SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB Gaming Keyboard. IP32 water resistant. Prevents accidental damage from liquid spills. 10-zone RGB illumination. Gorgeous color schemes and reactive effects. Whisper quiet gaming switches. Nearly silent use for 20 million low-friction key presses. Premium magnetic wrist rest. Provides full palm support and comfort. Dedicated multimedia controls. Adjust volume and settings on the fly. Ready to level up your gaming setup? From lightning-fast response times to stunning RGB lighting, these keyboards are built to dominate. Whisper quiet gaming switches. Nearly silent use for 20 million low-friction key presses. Premium magnetic wrist rest. Provides full palm support and comfort. Dedicated multimedia controls. Adjust volume and settings on the fly. At number 4, we have Corsair K70 RGB Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The K70 RGB Pro retains the iconic elements of the award-winning K70 RGB with a durable aluminum frame, Cherry MX mechanical key switches, and per-key RGB backlighting. Enables a new level of K70 performance, processing and transmitting your inputs up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards. Offer lightning-fast response times with a 1.2 mm actuation distance. Flip the tournament switch to focus on winning those crucial games, automatically locking to distraction-free static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations. At number 5, we have SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Hypermagnetic Gaming Keyboard, fully customizable and stupidly fast with OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. Rapid trigger, eradicate latency arising from the physical movement of the switch through dynamic activation and deactivation of keys, based on travel distance rather than a fixed point in the key travel. Ultimate control, 40 levels of per-key actuation, set WASD for light, ultra-fast movements, and set ability keys to deep presses to avoid accidentally triggering specials. 2 IN 1 action keys, program 2 different actions to the same key, such as walking with a light touch or sprinting with a deep press. Premium aluminum top plate, detachable USB-C. For at number 6, we have Razer Black Widow V4 Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Features quieter actuation while delivering a satisfying tactile bump with every keystroke, making it the perfect choice for those who want tactility without the click. Featuring per-key lighting and a striking 3-side underglow when paired with the wrist rest, sync the keyboard with your battle station and enjoy greater immersion when gaming. Assign a custom function to the keyboard's programmable dial, and game with greater command using a set of macro keys for essential keybinds. Designed to provide secure support for long hours of play, the soft, Cushioned wrist rest also features Razer Chroma RGB lighting. At number 7, we have Asus ROG Azoth 75% Wireless DIY Custom Gaming Keyboard Unique Gasket Mount Design. Silicone gasket mount with 3 layers of dampening foams combine to provide an unrivaled typing experience. OLED display and intuitive controls. The 2-inch OLED display in the upper right of the gaming keyboard allows you to view system info and keyboard settings at a glance. Built-in 3-way knob allows for quick settings adjustment. Enhanced typing experience. Pre-lubed keyboard stabilizer produces less friction for smoother keystrokes and stability for longer keys. ROG PBT double-shot keycaps provide a premium feel and long-lasting durability. At number 8, we have Womier K8075% keyboard with color multimedia display mechanical gaming. The DIY multimedia display screen design in the upper right corner of the keyboard allows you to visualize in custom GIF image, caps lock, connection mode, backlit brightness/speed, RGB, mode/color, volume and language, and more. Display screen 11-degree oblique angle height will be more in line with visual habits. The keyboard adopts the classic keycap cherry profile art theme keycaps. The gasket mount design enhances stability and reduces typing noise for an immersive gaming experience. The pre-lubed linear switches with south-facing transparent light diffusers provide a comfortable keystroke feeling. At number 9, we have Asus ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard, retains all function and number keys in a more compact and efficient layout that frees up desk space. Pre-lubed NX Snow linear switches and ROG NX Storm clicky switches with walled stem design to enhance keystroke stability and are tuned for great acoustic. Unique. Integrated dampening foam with added switch dampening pad structure, absorbs pinging noises and echoes for improved keystroke acoustic. Pre-lubed keyboard stabilizers produce less friction for smoother keystrokes and stability for longer keys. Durable ROG PBT double-shot keycaps or UV-coated ABS keycaps offer a premium feel and shine resistance. At number 10, we have Corsair K65 Plus wireless gaming keyboard. Pre-lubricated Corsair MLX red linear mechanical switches offer a silky smooth, responsive key press for gaming and typing. Easily connect via low latency 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or USB wired, with secure AES encryption. Power your gaming for up to 266 hours on a single charge with RGB off, a versatile multifunction rotary dial, FN key combinations, and shortcut commands let you effortlessly control your media and apps. Sturdy PBT dye sublimated keycaps resist fading, wear, and shine, keeping your keyboard pristine after years of everyday use. At number 11, we have Highground Crystal Amethyst 65% wired gaming keyboard. This compact 65% gaming keyboard with arrow keys contains all the keys you need and nothing you don't. This space-saving model is the perfect choice for PC gaming enthusiasts. Our transparent mechanical keyboard combines 90s nostalgia with modern aesthetics. Its translucent polycarbonate frame and ABS keycaps provide a sleek look, while the vibrant backlighting adds a touch of contemporary style. No modifications necessary. Our mechanical keyboard contains dual silicone dampening layers, delivering a weighted feel and immersive thocky sound for enhanced typing. At number 12, we have Razer Huntsman V2 optical gaming keyboard improved with sound dampeners for an even quieter typing experience. The smooth, consistent switches are now also more responsive with up to true 8000 Hz polling rate for lower input latency. Harder and more durable than regular keycaps. These won't wear down to a shiny finish and have labels which will never fade thanks to their double-shot molding process. Enjoy truly responsive in-game movement via Razer Synapse 4 by prioritizing the latest input between a pair of assigned keys. Snap Tap is off by default and can be toggled on/off in Razer Synapse.